Welcome to Vitória, the beautiful capital of Espírito Santo. This coastal city is often overlooked by travelers, but trust me, it's a hidden gem in Brazil, with stunning beaches, rich culture, and amazing food. Vitória is the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. So, what can you do in just 24 hours here? Let's dive in. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let us know, if you had just one day in Vitória, what would you do? Now, let's get started. Morning, hiking with a view. We're kicking off the day with Morro do Moreno, one of the best viewpoints in the city. Located in Vila Velha, just across the bridge from Vitória. This hike is a must-do for nature lovers. It's a short but steep trail, taking about 40 minutes to 1 hour to reach the top. But once you're up there, wow, it is amazing. From the summit, you get a 360-degree view of Vitória's skyline, the bay, and even the famous Terceira Ponte, one of the longest bridges in Brazil. On a clear day, you might even spot some surfers at Praia da Costa, or boats heading to Ilha do Frade, a paradise-like island nearby. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even paraglide from here. Did you know, Vitória is one of the few island capitals in Brazil. The city is spread across 33 islands, connected by bridges, and surrounded by lush Atlantic forest. You can find these curious little guys, known as saguis, are common in the Atlantic forest around Vitória. They're super agile, jumping from branch to branch, always on the lookout for food. If you hike here, you might see them up close. But remember, don't feed them. They have their natural diet, and human food can harm them. And after the climb, here's a little reward. At the top, there's a small stand where you can buy cold water and popsicles, perfect for cooling down while enjoying the breathtaking views of Vitória and the coastline. So, if you forget to bring water, don't worry. You can grab a refreshing treat at the summit. After the hike, it's time to reward ourselves with a true Capixaba feast. And nothing represents Espírito Santo's cuisine better than the famous Moqueca, Capixaba. We're heading to Quiosque do Alemão, a local favorite right by the beach. So, what makes Moqueca Capixaba different from the Moqueca in Bahia? The answer is simple. No coconut milk, no palm oil. Instead, it's all about fresh fish, tomatoes, onions, garlic, cilantro, and the iconic clay pot, which gives it that deep, rich flavor. The pot itself is a tradition, made by artisans in Guaibeiras, a historic neighborhood in Vitória known for its pottery. Alongside the moqueca, don't forget to try the pirão, a delicious fish-based side dish, and the classic white rice. Oh, and a cold drink to go with it. Perfect. Fun fact, Espírito Santo is Brazil's largest exporter of seafood, and Vitória has some of the best seafood restaurants in the country. With a full belly, it's time to slow things down and enjoy Vitória's coastline. The city has some beautiful urban beaches, perfect for a long afternoon walk. We're starting at Praia de Camburi, Vitória's largest beach, which stretches for 5 kilometers. It's lined with bike paths, coconut trees, and plenty of space to just sit and enjoy the view. If you prefer something a bit more scenic, cross back to Vila Velha and check out Praia da Costa, one of the most popular beaches in the region. The water is usually calm, making it great for swimming. And if you want something more secluded, drive a bit further to Praia Secreta, a hidden cove with crystal clear waters. Vitória is also known for its mangroves, which are essential to the local ecosystem. The city has one of the largest urban mangrove reserves in Brazil, and if you're lucky, you might spot some capybaras near the waterways. Did you know? Espírito Santo is home to one of Brazil's best coffee regions. The mountains of the state produce high-quality specialty coffee, and you can find amazing espressos in local cafes around Vitória. As the sun sets, it's time for dinner, and tonight we're keeping it casual at a local barzinho. Vitória's nightlife is super laid back, with plenty of cozy bars, serving great drinks and amazing espetinhos, Brazilian-style skewers. We found a great spot where the espetinhos come with a side of feijão tropeiro, a delicious mix of beans, bacon, eggs, and cassava flour. It's a dish with strong Minas Gerais influence, but it's a favorite here in Espírito Santo as well. Pair it with a cold beer or a local caipirinha, and you've got the perfect way to end the day. And that's a full day in Vitória. From hiking and beaches to amazing food and local culture, this city has so much to offer. If you have more time, there's even more to explore, like the historic Convento da Penha, the charming Ilha das Caieiras, and the mountain town of Domingos Martins nearby. What do you think? Would you spend a day in Vitória? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.